Aamir Khan and Katrina Kaif launched the Dhoom 3 official merchandise and technology products. This included a broad array of licensed merchandise from a number of leading manufacturers. वहीं इस मौके पर धूम 3 कलेक्टर डॉल्स और गेम को रिलीज किया गया, जिसमें है कंप्लीट रेंज ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट फॉर यंग एंड ओल्ड फैंस ऑफ धूम। इस मौके पर दिखाई दिए मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट आमिर खान और उनके साथ ही गॉर्जियस कटरीना कैफ भी। चलिए अब आमिर से जानते हैं कि उनकी आइकॉनिक कैप कहाँ है, जो फिल्म के ट्रेलर्स में दिखाई दे रही है।
Well, Katrina stole it from me.
All right, so
She wanted my hat, so she stole it from me. But I've made it disappear from her head. So I think we should bring it down by magic.
चलिए अब हॉट डीवा कटरीना कैफ से जानते हैं कि इनका आमिर खान के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा।
It was really good. Honestly, first I was a little skeptical. I had heard so much about him that he's so planned and meticulous, and he's very particular about things. So I was a bit nervous, what it was gonna kind of be like. But from the first scene we did together in the film, I realized he's such a, we all know the star he is, but he's such a genuine actor, and he treats you just like that, just as another co-actor on the set, seeing what you can bring to the scene. And I really found that amazing and really enjoyed the experience. Only one small thing I realized is that Aamir doesn't like to turn very fast in the at a height. So in some of the songs we were doing, I could see that he didn't really like that that spinning. But apart from that, I think everything was amazing. Okay, for sure, I'll do it after the press conference.
यूजुअली मेल कैरेक्टर्स फिल्म में क्रेडिट ले जाते हैं, तो इस पर कटरीना क्या कहना चाहेंगी और इसमें कैसा बदलाव लाना चाहेंगी?
First way I'd like to try and propose a change is, if God willing, inshallah, The Whom is a big hit, Aamir can dedicate a letter to me thanking me for my contribution. How's that? He can say, I give you credit.
But I don't have to wait for the hit for that.
Oh. See, that's sweet. He already gives it to me. No, seriously, I understand what you're saying, but at the same time, I feel that it's also deserved in a way. I think everyone gets what they deserve. So if if the hero or the actor is taking is more talked about after the film, then I guess it's deserved. And if
Actually, I have something to say for this.
Sorry, wrong answer.
Sorry, have you finished?
I finished.
Okay. When you say that the hero takes the credit, actually, I don't think any hero takes the credit and runs away. So what happens is that, according to me, filmmaking is an activity where a number of creative people come together and work together, and everyone contributes. What happens is, sometimes we as an audience, and I'm counting myself as an audience now, we as an audience look at a film, and we tend to give credit, as opposed to that one person taking it. So I might give credit to a particular actor or a particular technician in a film. But the fact is that actually everyone has contributed together. But as an audience, sometimes we get attracted to one aspect of a film, and we end up giving credit, or maybe overdue credit to that person, Okay,
Akshay also said you guys get blamed for it too if it doesn't work wrong, so maybe...
True. I think what happens is actors usually become the face of the film. So in that sense, we also get blamed if it doesn't turn out well. But again, I think the blame also ought to be shared.
तो वहीं जहां आजकल की ऑडियंस के टेस्ट काफी बदल चुके हैं, तो इस पर कटरीना क्या कहना चाहेंगी कि उन्हें रोम कॉम ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट करती हैं या फिर इंटेंस लव स्टोरीज?
I don't know if it's about the romance. I think what the audience wants to see nowadays is something which is energetic, which is exciting, which is a good story, and which is a good film. If you look at the range of films which have worked in the last year alone, and including the last 2 years, if you want to take, you see everything. You see a range of a Chennai Express to a Barfi to every kind of a different kind of story you can imagine. So I think it's, you're talking about credit also. I think we should honestly try and focus on making a good film and doing good work as an actor, and the credit will follow you eventually on its own.
आइए जानते हैं कि आमिर को कैसा लग रहा है अपने आप को डॉल्स के रूप में देखकर।
Well, I'm happy, but I have to confess that I'm not really into dolls. Yeah, it's nice. I think it's nice for the fans. I think it's nice for I would like to, as a fan, own certain things for films and maybe actors. Like I would love to have Harrison Ford's whip from the Indiana Jones series. I think it's good for the fans then when they get to own a piece of something that they love. So it's wonderful that Yash Raj's team has come up with like the largest ever. Let's see how it does. I think this is the first time that in India we are trying something on such a large scale, and I'm keen to see how people respond to that. I think it's not bad. I wish they had done a better job on the hair.
Are the guys dominating thieves? Because Super Cop is missing since last 2 promotions. Let's find out, is he lacking behind?
No, he's not lacking behind. He's very much part of the promotions. In fact, Abhishek and I launched the first trailer of the film together. So I guess with every event, you'll see different actors from the film.
So do we see the whole team together anytime?
Also.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।